everyone, it's Allie. I just wanted to pop in and give you a quick update. This is the diamond painting that I have been working on, and as you can see, I am much farther along than I was, and it has been so much fun to work on. I've been doing it during the day and some at night when I just have a few minutes to sit down and work on it. And of course, I had to buy more fun stuff to try. So I bought some wax pencils, and I bought this Quake Hold, which I have heard works really well and lasts for a long time, longer than the pink putty. So I'm going to try that. I did end up buying a Lightboard. So this one is by Art Dot. It is an A3. I bought it from Amazon. The price was really well. I bought it from the Amazon warehouse deals, so it was a little bit less expensive, but it was like brand new. The box was a little bit ripped up, but other than that, it had everything in the box, so I was very happy with it. It actually makes me want to buy a bigger one, but I'm gonna deal with this one for now. And there, my son is working on a Hulk, and my daughter had one. She had a panda, although I don't know what she did with it. And this is my mess right now. I am working at a poker table in my garage. There's another poker table. There's my brown couch that was in my living room. That other couch was just a very old couch we had in the basement, and so is that black chair. All of those need to be thrown out. But my husband is going to be having a poker party in here sometime soon, so he's going to use those. Here's a big TV, and I'm in the garage because our house is being renovated. So my kitchen, craft room / office, and living room are all a mess, torn apart right now. All the furniture's out. Everything's in Tupperwares. It's a mess in there. So we've basically been living in the garage. There's my puppy's bed. He likes to come lay by me, and I will give you a sneak peek where I have to film my next video right here, which you will see on Saturday. And that is one of the doors we are painting, and that is the little kitty door. But that is the door to my kitchen. And so all of my art stuff has been put away, so I haven't been doing that much this month. I had hurt my back and just a bunch of different things going on, and then with this renovation, like, I'm sure many of you know, it's just there's so much dust and mess, and I just don't want to bring anything out. So I'm trying to make do with what I can. So it actually was a good time to play with the diamond painting. So this board that I bought has 3 settings. I don't know if you can kind of tell, but now it's off. 1, 2, 3. And I love it. I'm sure my kids will use it for all different things. No problems with my diamond painting. Everything's adhering great. If you haven't checked out my first video, I will link it down below. But I had received this free from Victoria's Moon. They wanted a review. And I think it's a great shop. They have many, many different paintings. They do custom. They have tools. They have, I know, one of these light boards. I don't know what size she has, but they do sell one. So if you ever want to check it out, you can try her place. I'm sure you can find something you'd like. And I don't know. Let me know. Have you ever diamond painted? Do you like it? I'm one of those people who love the hobbies, and then I get obsessed and I have to buy all the different little tools and things to try. So, but it's really fun. I already bought my next painting, so I will show you guys that. But I will also have a regular card video out again, like I said, on Saturday, and I hope everyone is doing well. It is finally turning warm here, so I hope we're finally done with the snow. But you never know in Ohio. It could be snowing in a day. So we shall see. But I hope everyone's having a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.